Hello guys, today we're going to be making this paper aeroplane. The first thing you need to do is fold it in half. Then you're going to be folding the two corners. Then you're going to put it down. And then you're going to fold it like this and put this up. And then you're going to do this, put it like this, and do this on the other side. And there you are.